Welcome to the MTEC annual membership meeting. In this short driving impact video, MTEC will showcase the progress of a few MTEC awardees advancing solutions that support the medical needs of the warfighter. Enjoy.
I'm Chris Nemeth, the Principal Scientist with Applied Research Associates, a 1,700-member science and engineering consulting firm. Through MTEC, we developed the Trauma Triage Treatment and Training Decision Support System to enable medics to better perform tactical combat casualty and prolonged field care on the battlefield. 4TDS is an app on an Android smartphone that reads vital signs from a simple, durable monitor placed on a casualty. The Hemorrhage Detection and Treatment System, or HDATS, is one of the algorithms we integrated into 4TDS. HDATS can indicate whether a casualty is at risk for internal hemorrhage. And our shock model can predict the casualty's risk of shock up to 90 minutes before it actually occurs. We have evaluated 4TDS and its algorithms with 100 Army, Navy, and Air Force medics and clinicians from novice to expert. And we're seeking funding to complete its development. 4TDS enables medics in austere battlefield settings to deliver better care sooner by accurately streaming casualty vital signs in real time, detecting and treating potentially fatal shock and internal bleeding, documenting casualties, and refreshing skills in life-critical procedures that erode within 6 months of training. Support from the Army Medical Research and Development Command and the Army Medical Material and Development Activity made the project possible. MTEC made the process efficient and timely.
Our team here is working on an exciting project called IMAS, the Interoperable Medical Automated System. IMAS's mission is to digitize the medical landscape for our soldiers. Currently, our military's medical capabilities are still pencil and paper in most areas. IMAS is focused on creating technologies to greatly improve our medical capabilities in 4 key areas: on the battlefield, in the hospital, creating a medical networking system, and generating cutting-edge medical-focused AI. IMAS has made tremendous strides since its inception. We've successfully created the first interoperable field hospital, where we are supporting a wireless network of 1,200 medical devices over a 10-acre distance and equipping our soldiers with applications that will streamline and improve their medical processes. Our AI capability is being trained daily to allow us to quickly determine medical equipment placed and what tools and technologies have already been used. We've gotten tremendous positive feedback from those that have used our technologies, none of which I can say better than former Army Special Operations flight paramedic Nick Dykes. He says, IMAS allows my mind to focus on treatment and reduces the mental burden while seeing someone on their worst day. IMAS supports all roles of care, providing advanced predictive logistics, intuitive patient flow, process automation, and total interoperability at the edge of what's possible. Because of MTEC, the IMAS product suite spans all levels of patient care, providing situational awareness and automated capabilities to all aspects of patients' medical journey. Because of these advancements and discoveries, our company has made a commitment to ensure future medical AI and robotic systems are supported by an interoperable and modern operational medical environment.
Hi, I'm Casey Boutwell, CEO of NearSense. NearSense is developing rugged and wearable oximetry systems to measure health and performance during training and operations from the point of injury through to Role 4. Naval Medical Research Command is investing in the development and demonstration of our advanced medical monitor called the Argus. NearSense's optical system measures changes in tissue oxygen 10 times deeper than pulse oximetry, allowing for real-time monitoring and alert of changes in deep muscle tissue and even in the brain. Looking 10 times deeper than standard pulse oximetry helps protect against pulse ox's limitations during low blood flow, in hypothermic patients, and in patients with darker skin tones, scenarios where standard pulse oximetry struggles. NMRC's funding is supporting the final system engineering, clinical validation, and regulatory submission of the NearSense Argus. We've demonstrated non-invasive tissue oxygen monitoring that is robust to hypothermia and motion, and is responsive to changes in mean arterial pressure in numerous animal and human studies. In addition to tissue oximetry, the NearSense Argus also tracks standard optical measures like pulse oximetry, pulse rate, and respiratory rate. Large-scale combat operations will bring medical challenges that we haven't faced in decades. Wearable tissue oximeters that are ruggedized for prolonged field care will increase medical capabilities. NearSense is working to inform triage decision-making when immediate evacuation is not an option. NMRC's investment in developing and demonstrating NearSense technology is accelerating our existing relationships with the end-user community, providing clinical feedback and user requirements for real assessments and evaluations. MTEC's coordination of this opportunity has helped accelerate our development and is pushing us rapidly towards commercialization.
Hello, I am William Cornick, the CEO at Astrocyte Pharmaceuticals, and we are a drug development company advancing novel treatments for brain injuries. We've been fortunate to have several awards from MTEC, all focused on the development of a battlefield TBI therapeutic. Since 2014, Astrocyte has been advancing a novel small molecule therapeutic named AST-004 that has remarkable neuroprotective properties. We've done a series of small animal and large animal studies, testing this with blast and blunt force TBI, and consistently post-injury treatment with AST-004 results in less damage, less brain swelling, and even less long-term disability. Through the MTEC Awards, we've been able to accelerate the development of this therapeutic, including completing a phase 1 safety study this past year successfully with no safety concerns. What is also exciting is that this drug candidate has great pharmaceutical properties, including being amenable to a convenient oral tablet formulation that can be stable under a wide range of conditions. Through the MTEC funding, we've been able to accelerate the development of these oral disintegrating tablets, and we now have prototypes available, and these will dissolve on your tongue without water in less than 3 seconds. Our hope is that this novel, promising neuroprotectant could be in the backpacks of all warfighters eventually to take quickly after they sustain a TBI, and it would limit the damage and lessen the consequences from that TBI. MTEC has been a fantastic partner to Astrocyte on several fronts. Their funding has directly accelerated the program, their validation has brought in other investors to Astrocyte, and they've introduced us to several collaborators. So thank you, MTEC, for driving such an impact on this program and all TBI research.